Good morning, students. Very good morning to one and all. As you know, last time we have started one grammar lesson and we have completed first part of the same. And today we are taking the second lesson plan, which is plan 4B, compound complex sentences. It's a combination of compound as well as complex sentence. Okay, hence it is called as compound complex sentence. So we have to complete this every today, that once you go through this particular revision of the question answers, you will be able to form and effectively use compound complex sentences. Already you have to learn that, but once again we are going to take few more sentences so that you will be surely understand each and every aspect regarding compound complex sentence. Let's begin. So look at the just this question number 5. I hope you can see it very clearly. So let's begin this question number 5. Fill in the blanks using appropriate conjunctions. Actually there are many questions, but I have taken only one. Remaining questions you are going to answer me. In case still if you feel there is a need of answers, let me know and I'm going to provide you each and every question's answer. Okay, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me for this same. So let's begin our journey of this revision practice questions. Okay, fill in the blanks using appropriate conjunctions. A dash, the captain was bowled out, the rest of the team lost their confidence. Dash, the match came to a quick end. So we have to use appropriate conjunctions. So answer is, when the captain was bowled out, the rest of the team lost their confidence and the match came to a quick end. And match came to a quick end. So the correct answers are when and. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Let's take the next one. Add an independent clause to each complex sentence to create a compound complex sentence. Whenever a big cricket match is being played, the entire country comes to a standstill. Here we have to create a compound complex sentence by adding independent clause to each complex sentence. They have given two complex sentences like one. So we have to add an independent clause. Okay, so let's see. Whenever a big cricket match is being played, the entire country comes to a standstill. Yet no one complains. Yet no one complains. Correct? So we can easily see there is a one dependent clause, one independent clause, and one subordinating conjunction is there. Okay, so the combination of all these three makes compound complex sentence. So you have to write the remaining B and C, B, C, D, which is on page number 15. Very nice. Next, add a dependent clause to each compound sentence. Tennis is a popular spectator sport and it is played at several prestigious tournaments. Okay, so here we can do it like this. We have to add a dependent clause. Okay, already we have seen in the book on page number 13 how the dependent clauses are used. Okay, so here the dependent clause is while I have never watched the game myself. While I have never watched the game myself, tennis is a popular spectator sport and it is played at several prestigious tournaments. Correct? So we have written the answer like this by adding a dependent clause. We have added a dependent clause. Okay. While I have never watched the game myself, it makes some sense but not the complete sense. Hence, it is known as dependent clause. It is dependent on the remaining or the rest of the part of the sentence for its complete meaning. Okay, so complete all the remaining questions. They are B, C, and D. Just try, and if it is not possible, please let me know, and I'll answer you that particular question. So don't worry. 8.1. Join the clauses to form compound complex sentences. Okay, you have to join clause to form compound complex sentence. Here they have given two examples. Simant is a passionate player. Some experts insist he is skilled at cheating. Some experts insist he is skilled at cheating. Okay, and the remaining part is he has never lost a single game. Just check on page number 15, 8th question. Okay, so answer would be like this. Though Simant is a passionate player, some experts insist he is skilled at cheating. Dependent clause is there, correct? One independent clause is also there. At the same time, subordinating conjunction as he has never lost a single game. As he has never lost a single game. Here by adding this conjunction, we have made this a compound complex sentence. Understood? Just check the question in your textbook page number 15, that is grammar guide 8a. Okay, because half of the part is remaining here I have not written, so kindly check the same in your textbook. Next one, let's check. Use the given clues to write compound complex sentences. Challenging game, very few people take it up, not become that popular. They have given points, and with the help of these points we have to make one compound complex sentence. Because golf is a challenging game, very few people take it up. And here we have added conjunction. Here we have added conjunction. We know the conjunction very well, correct? So the conjunction has been added, and the sentence is like, and it has not become that popular. And it has not become that popular. The next question is write a paragraph about the picture. Okay, you can see on page number 15 there is a picture. It's too blurred, that's why I have not scanned it. Okay, you can see the picture is there, and I have given this sample answer. Include a variety of sentences including one compound complex sentences. You have to write a paragraph basis on the basis of that particular picture. Just observe it carefully, and you have to write a small paragraph in which there would be one compound complex sentence. Let's see how it can be done. Okay, your answer might be vary. This is simply a sample answer. Basketball is a game of skill, stamina and speed. It requires rigorous practice, but it is also important to learn how to work with your teammates. Although a game of basketball may seem simple, players know that each shot at the basket is a matter of focus and technique, and that success does not come easily. And that success does not come easily. Correct? So this is simply a sample answer. You have to just observe it. You have to observe that picture, and only thing is that you have to write at least one compound complex sentence, okay, by observing that picture. I hope you have understood this much. At the same time, you have to complete the quiz compound complex sentences, which is on page number 16. In case if you are not getting any answer, please let me know by just simply messaging or by calling me, and I'm going to provide each and every question's answer. So do not worry about any question answered. I'm there to answer all the queries. So in homework, you have to complete question set 5 to 10. page number 14 and 15, and quiz questions which is 1 to 3, page number 16. These things you have to complete. Okay, this much homework you have to complete. So thank you so much for watching this video so carefully and patiently. In case of any query doubt, please let me know via WhatsApp or calling. Thank you so much. Have a great day to all of you. Take care.